In this video, I'm going to show you the process of how to remove objects from photos in Canva, or how to remove anything from photos using Canva. I'm Sai from digiWhisper, and let's get started. So first, log into your Canva account and then go to the canvas and then upload your image, in which image you want to remove any of the objects or any part of the image. So let's say I have uploaded two images here in the canvas of Canva. So in the first image, I want to remove this object. Here you see there is an object and I want to remove this object in this image. And in the next image, there is another image and I want to remove this object from this image. So how we can do this? So we can easily remove any types of unwanted object or anything from your image using Canva. So first, click on the image and click the edit button, and here you will find under the Magic Studio there are a couple of options available. You should remember these options are only for pro user. If you are a Canva pro user, then these options are unlocked for you or available for you. So there is an option which is Magic Eraser. So we will use this option, Magic Eraser. Or this option is also available in here in the eraser button. So here we can just select the eraser and click Magic Eraser and select. You can select your brush size. So this is our brush size. So let's say this brush size is perfect for me, and just mark the object you want to remove. And now click the erase button and wait. This object has been removed. See, this is without that object. So now just cross it, and this image is now without that object, which object I wanted to remove. So now let's try in this image. So again, click here and click the erase button and click Magic Erase, and now select your brush size. So let's say this is the brush size, and I'm marking the object which I want to remove, and marking the second object, and now increase the brush size. Just mark it. Okay, I think it's done and perfect. And now click the erase button, and boom. See, this image is without that object, and this is a very easy way to remove any objects from photos in Canva. So in this video, I have shown you how to remove an object from photos in Canva, or how to erase anything from an image in Canva. Alright, that's a wrap. Now it's your turn. What's the one tech issue that's been driving you crazy lately? Drop it in the comment, and I might pick your question in the next video. I genuinely read every comment because this channel is all about solving your real life problem, not just random tutorials. So if you are stuck and confused or just curious about a tool, ask me below. I will reply you personally to help you out. Oh, and don't skip the pinned comment and description. I've pinned some must visit tools and resources there. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and join my growing community. Let's fix the internet together, one video at a time.